Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your TradingView account using the mobile application, whether you are returning after a while or just installed it on a new device. So let's get started. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and tap Sign In at the top. Now choose how you signed up before. This could be through your email address, Google account, Apple ID, Facebook, X, LinkedIn account. I will use the email method in this demo. Enter your email address or username and then password you used when creating your TradingView account. If you cannot remember your password or cannot sign in for some reason, tap on I forgot password or can't sign in to retrieve some solutions via email. Then tap Sign In. Your phone might ask if you want to use Face ID or fingerprint for future logins. Go ahead and allow that for quicker access next time. And that's it. You are now logged in and ready to explore charts, watch lists, and more right on your phone. That's how easy it is to log into the TradingView app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more trading and tech tutorials. If you have got any queries or stuck somewhere, drop them in the comments and let me help you out. See you in the next one.